Imagine driving at night, struggling to see what's ahead, your headlights barely cutting through the darkness. You can't see the road, let alone any potential hazards. What if I told you there's a simple fix to this? A fix that can completely transform your nighttime driving experience, giving you clearer, brighter visibility on the road. Stick around, because today we're diving into the best headlights for night driving that will change the way you drive at night forever. Let's be real, nighttime driving can be a challenge. Your car's headlights, no matter how much you clean them, can still seem to offer barely any visibility, especially on dark, foggy, or rainy nights. And let's not even talk about the glare from oncoming traffic. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. But here's the kicker. Most people don't even know that there are much brighter, more efficient options out there that can completely change your nighttime driving experience. And that's exactly why you're here, right? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 headlights that'll make driving at night not only safer but way more comfortable. No more squinting, no more straining your eyes, and no more worrying about missing potential hazards. We've got everything from LEDs to RID Xenon lights. I promise you, after watching this, your driving experience will never be the same. Okay, so let's get into it. First up, Philips X-tremeVision LED headlight bulb. Starting strong with the Philips X-tremeVision LED headlight bulb. Now, if you're someone who prioritizes brightness and longevity, these bulbs are your best friend. They're up to 130% brighter than your standard halogen bulbs, which means you'll have that enhanced down-road visibility that helps you spot things much earlier. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can see the road clearly from further away. Not only are these bulbs bright, but they last a long time too, so you're not constantly replacing them. Philips has been in the game for a long time, and they've perfected the formula to make sure these LEDs will last for years. Number 2. Sylvania SilverStar Ultra High Performance Halogen Headlight Bulb. Next, we have Sylvania SilverStar Ultra High Performance Halogen Bulbs. If you prefer halogen bulbs but want something more powerful than the regular ones, this is your go-to option. These bulbs deliver up to 1000 lumens of brightness, giving you a whiter light that extends your road visibility. While halogen bulbs don't last quite as long as LEDs, these are an affordable option for those who just want an upgrade without breaking the bank. The Sylvania SilverStar bulbs are known for their high performance. Whiter light means better visibility and, most importantly, safer driving. Number 3. BEAMTECH LED Fog Light Bulb. Foggy or rainy nights? No problem. BEAMTECH LED Fog Light Bulbs are perfect for these kinds of conditions. These babies have an insane high lumen output, which ensures that your fog lights aren't just a decoration, but a tool to help you drive safely when the road is shrouded in mist or heavy rain. The beam pattern is wide and focused, giving you a better spread of light in those tricky conditions. These are super durable too, thanks to efficient heat dissipation, which ensures they last a lot longer than traditional fog lights. Number 4. SEALIGHT L2 H11 H8 H9 H16 LED Bulbs. Now, if you want extreme brightness, then check out the SEALIGHT L2 LED bulbs. These LEDs are up to 800% brighter than regular halogens, giving you an impressive 24,000 lumens. If you've been driving with standard halogen bulbs, you'll immediately notice how much more intense and clear the lighting is. And it's not just about brightness. These bulbs also feature a perfect beam pattern with no dark spots, meaning your entire field of vision is lit up evenly. No more having to squint to see the road ahead. Number 5. Kensun HID Xenon Headlight Bulb. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about Kensun HID Xenon Headlight Bulbs. Now, if you've got a car that's compatible with HID systems, these are perfect for you. They offer a wide and intense light output with customizable color temperatures, like the ultra-bright 6000K for those who want crisp white light. HID Xenon bulbs provide intense brightness with better focus and longer range visibility compared to most other types of bulbs. And while they may require a proper ballast for installation, they're known for their longevity. You'll get years of use out of these bad boys. So there you have it. 5 amazing headlight options for night driving that will seriously up your game. Whether you're looking for brightness, longevity, or visibility in tough conditions, there's something here for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. We've got tons of content lined up that you won't want to miss, like the best car care hacks and how to maintain your car's performance. I've also got another video coming up on how to improve your headlights lifespan, so make sure you check that out after this. Alright, here's a question for you. Have you ever been scared or felt unsafe driving at night because of poor headlights? What do you think is the most important factor in choosing a headlight? Brightness or longevity? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.